to show you this chair that I received from the company. This has been such a big hit in my house. I have 3 kids. They are all fighting over who gets to use this chair when they're doing homework. So I set it up on my desk so that they can like rotate and it's not just one person's chair. It's completely adjustable. What makes this different is that it has this piece down on the bottom here so that you can fold your legs or rest your legs on there, which my kids absolutely love. And actually, I find more comfortable as well. So I think just having like a good workspace is so important to be productive. And this chair has really helped that for us. So all of us, like I work from here and my kids will do their homework. So again, it's completely adjustable. It has this like very nice cushion so you can stay like almost like a memory foam cushion so you can sit on it for a long time. And then this will rotate, go up and down right here, and it's on wheels. So this is what it looks like when you're sitting on here trying to do work. Again, like I find that this really helps with my posture. It helps me stay comfortable and work longer because I feel like very comfortable in here. You can also, my kids will put their feet up, which they really like. So, and then you can adjust this based off of your height. I'm 5'4" and I fit on it perfectly. So it all depends on like, your height. It will adjust. My kids are 9 and 11 that use it and find it really comfortable. And then my 3-year-old also likes it because she can just rest her feet like this. And it just feels very ergonomic.